Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Inside this tutorial I am going to show you how to use the logo reveals inside this template. So when you open logo reveals, inside the logo reveal you get two different folders inside the project panel. So open this logo reveals. Inside this you get five different compositions for logo reveal. So according to your requirement you can select. So for example, here I have select this logo reveal 2 with double click and open this. Okay, now here you can see this logo. First I will talking about this color controller inside the timeline. You can change its color from here like this, and second color like this. Okay, and then next thing is the logo. So simply you can select this placeholder and double click on it, and at here you can replace your own logo. Okay, like simply double click, and here I have showing you with this WhatsApp logo like this, and drag and drop down here and scale it up like this. Okay, now see here, this is not looking good, so I have changed the color from here like this. Now see, so guys, this is the way to edit your logo reveals inside this template. These all other are same, so this is all about this. In my next tutorial I am talking about my next category,